But let's find out then what those Chartbuster ideas are from Kunal Bothra as well as Naresh Mirani, who are joining right back in. And Kunal, what are you tracking for the day? Is it one of the top sectors that are holding out, that's real estate?
Yeah, it's from the real estate pack, Avan, and I've picked up the better performing stock, Oberoi Realty, and how the stock has been a relatively strong outperformer, not just in the last 2-3 days, but over the last 3-4 months, especially at the heat of the market correction. So this is the recent charts for Oberoi Realty. The point when the markets from the mid of September got back into a corrective phase, the stock went to just about a 3-4 day major correction. But post that, from the September end lows, the stock from that 1700 mark had shown a lot of resilience, and this was the point when the markets were extremely oversold. This was the point when the stock had come back into a consolidation at the higher end of the price trend, completely different in terms of the characteristics of how the real estate stocks behave in the heat of the market correction. And now we've seen the stock confirming a breakout from that 2000 mark. So this is almost like a classical 300-350 pointer pattern breakout for Oberoi Realty from those 2050 levels, which means that the stock should be good for at least 2400, 2450 over the very near term.
All right, Naresh, let's understand what you're tracking. What's your top Chartbuster call?
So that is the chart for Bharti Airtel. The stock finally broke out above that 1640 mark. And in the near term, it has made a strong base around 1550, the previous breakout point. So from here, expecting it to continue towards 1750 to 1800 levels. A good risk reward trade here with a stop loss at 1620.
All right, let's find out those individual trading recommendations as well. And Kunal, what is featuring on your radar?
So I'll go with the buy on Kaplan point. That's a chart which is coming into a very mild kind of a swing breakout, but I believe the momentum should accelerate given the kind of volume built up. So buy with a target of 2600, stop loss at 2480. And Samvardhan Motherson is something which is looking very attractive in terms of risk reward. So would suggest a buy with 178 as a target and stop loss at 163.
Okay, so those are the recommendations from Kunal. Naresh, what's your top recommendation at this point of time?
So first is the buy on PVR Inox. The stock is bouncing back from the supports. Good volumes right now. Stop loss at 1500, target price of 1600. Second is the buy on Info Edge. The stock continues to make new all-time highs. The momentum continues. Stop loss at 8800, target price of 9200.
The take coming in, Naresh. Before I let you go, help me with a quick chart check on Quest Corp, because that stock is up 9%, and also some of these chemical companies, FACT, RCF, GSFC. What's the take?
So first with Quest Corp, there has been an initiating coverage, and that's why we are seeing some price volume action. Apart from that, the stock was drifting lower after that move to 850 odd levels. So for now, sustaining about 730 would be a reversal in trend, and go towards 850 would be the ideal target. Would keep a stop loss below 700. In terms of fertilizers, we are seeing a lot of price volume action across the board. The interesting names over there is a Paradeep Phosphate, which is at a new 52-week high and an all-time high. So clearly one leader in that space. And next, we've seen very large volumes for RCF. That looks promising for the short term, could go towards the 200 mark. So for now, looking at Paradeep and RCF.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.